How many times does the digit 7 appear from 1 to 85? Efficient way to solve these kind of problems is to first divide the numbers into 3 groups. First group, containing the numbers that have 7, only in unit place. Second group, containing the numbers that have 7, only in tens place. And third group, containing the numbers that have 7, both in unit and tens place. Therefore, there are a total of 7 times digit 7 appears as only unit digit. 7, 17, 27, 37, 47, 57 and 67. There are a total of 9 times digit 7 appears as only tens digit. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 78, and 79. There are a total of 2 times digit 7 appears as a unit digit as well as a tens digit. 77. Therefore, total number of times digit 7 appears from 1 to 85 is 7 plus 9 plus 2 equals 18. Thank you for watching.